How do you see business momentum going ahead, and outlook on deposit growth and advance growth going ahead?
Our expectations is that like say we had a bad calendar year 2023, but after that things picked up. We achieved a growth rate in double digits in the June, and it has firmed up now, and we feel in the current trend we should be able to achieve the industry level growth before the end of the current financial year. And we feel we are also able to achieve the growth in the deposits, which will not be a constraint for our credit growth, is what we expect at this point of time.
Okay. And so net interest margins में भी हम देख रहे हैं improvement है in Q2. Can this trend continue? क्योंकि हम देखेंगे we may also see rate cut going ahead.
In fact, our communication was that like say with 3.6%, like say medium plus or minus 10 basis point is what we had delivered over a period of time, and we feel that trend will continue for the foreseeable future also.
Okay. And sir, outlook on slippages and credit cost going ahead. Will you maintain earlier guidance for the asset quality, slippages, NPA and trend in asset quality going ahead? कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
Absolutely. Like say हमारा slippages financial year 2024 में 1000 crore था, and ये साल हमारा expectation for the entire year put together वो 800 crores के like say आसपास आएगा करके हमारा expectations पहले communicate कर रहा था. वो like say the whatever guidance we gave, they continue to stay there in terms of slippages. वो recovery के ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं तो for the past couple of quarters वो the amount of NPA recovery is over and above the NPA slippages. वो live slippage और technically written off recovery मिलचुकर वो slippage के ऊपर आ रहा है. वो like say वो foreseeable future के लिए वो trend ऐसे ही जाएगा करके उम्मीद है.
सर लोन ग्रोथ के ऊपर पूछना चाहूँगी इन सेगमेंट्स लाइक गोल्ड, NBFCs, होम लोन, गाइडेंस क्या रहेगा फॉर द लोन ग्रोथ, इफ नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स बट ओवरऑल सेगमेंट वाइज कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
हमारा like say like say that 11 to 12% growth हम क्या अभी लिया है, वो हमारा conventional segments वो MSME, commercial trading, agricultural, gold loan से ही आ चुका है to greater extent. हमारा like say the new areas like secured retail, like for which हमारा like say the planning चल रहा है. Maybe the contribution even उनका contribution ये growth में नहीं है, वो आगे आने वाला है. So they should also be adding for some amount of growth going forward, and we feel our double-digit growth is back, and like say we should be touching the industrial growth before the end of the current financial year.
You also mentioned about new segments. So demand scenario जानना चाहेंगे for the individual segments you are operating in, and new segments कैसे contribution है in loan book, and which segments it's contributing the more?
So as I said, it is once again coming from our core MSME, commercial trading, agriculture and gold loan together. And we are seeing enough trend in those our conventional areas, and we feel they should be helping us to achieve the like say whatever growth targets we have for the current financial year.
And sir, in advances also it's improved on YOY basis and sequential basis both. Which segment will contribute more, and how do you see growth there?
Yeah, that's why I said it is once again the same conventional segment of our MSME, right, commercial trading, culture and gold loan. वही segment के ऊपर ही हमारा growth आएगा, and हमारा growth target कितना भी है, वो सब चीज ये चारों segment हमारा conventional segment से ही आ रहा है. That trend is expected to.
And sir, in 2024 जो डिजिटल lending process introduce किया है, तो इसका कैसे असर देख रहे हैं बिजनेस ग्रोथ और इन मार्जिन्स कैसे देख रहे हैं आने वाले समय पर भी?
ये इंक्रीमेंटल ग्रोथ के लिए वो डिजिटल लेंडिंग का मदद एकदम बढ़िया है. वो हमारा टर्न अराउंड टाइम के लाइक से 3 हफ्ता से 3 दिन के लिए अभी आ चुका है. So that has in fact helped us to process more proposal and to handle in a better way. Almost for proposals less than 7.5 crore from both MSME sectors and retail sector or whatever we handle, now they are getting handled by the digital lending. Almost 80% of the decision making abhi automation khatam hai. That is also a reason where we are able to see the incremental growth happening.
Right, sir. And sir, lastly, जानना चाहेंगे any future plans for expansion, branch expansion and networking?
Yeah, for 31st March 2024, we closed the year with about 800 branches. For this financial year, we should be having between 860 to 875 branches.
Right, sir. Kamakodi sir, thank you. Always a pleasure आपके साथ discussion के लिए. Thank you and best wishes for coming quarters.